The sky was red, so red. Earthquakes? It's scary. It's like you're dancing, but without music. It was my first time. I was afraid. I saw the people who live next to the volcanic eruption, a place called Wuhene, starting to come out.
I saw people coming out of the other side, running away with their things.
I was told the volcanic eruption was coming, so I packed my things and fled like the others.
When there is an eruption in the city of Goma, you have to be prepared to leave because you can't know where it will explode.
I found myself here in this center thanks to an association operating in Sake. I don't know what happened to my family. My family went on a truck, but I don't know whether they found refuge in Sake too.
We've put a program together to help us identify those children who've been separated from their families. About 75% of them have already been reunited with their families, and we're doing everything possible to reunite the last ones who are still apart from their families.
Since the eruption, I can say that a lot of activities have been postponed. As students, we are stuck. We were told to wait until the governors decide that we can resume our usual activities. That is when I will feel at peace.